Available from a 2021 move-in. The grounds of Huntsville is the area's premier horse-friendly property. This is a 1-bedroom/1.5-bath loft-style apartment. Open floor plan with lots of light. Downstairs is kitchen, living, utility room with west/D connections, and guest half bath. The bedroom is upstairs and has a private ensuite full bath and walk-in closet. Located just minutes north of Huntsville. There are a limited number of on-site horse stalls available for residents to lease. Assigned parking for a horse trailer is also available.